So just adding a little bit more here, getting a tiny bit more complex, but just important to pay attention to what's going on. So get this copied down. So it's important to recognize that the 2 that's leading there is only being multiplied by the 2w and the negative 2. It is not being multiplied by that negative 6. And so when we do the distributive property, what we're going to do is over here on the side, we'll do our area model. That's only being multiplied by 2w and negative 2. So that's going to give me 4w and negative 4. So 4w minus 4 is going to replace that first part there, and then we still have a minus 6w. Now to finish this up, we do need to combine like terms. We need to recognize that the 4w and the negative 6w are like terms, and they can be combined. So 4 minus 6 is going to be negative 2w, and we still have that minus 4 there. So on to the next one, we have 3 times 3y plus 1 minus 5. And again, it's important to recognize that that leading 3 is only being multiplied by 3y plus 1, not being multiplied by that negative 5 at the end. So 3y and 1. 3 times 3y is 9y. 3 times 1 is 3. So this gets replaced with 9y plus 3. And then that's a minus 5. And so, again, recognizing that with combining like terms, we can combine that positive 3 and that negative 5. There is nothing else that has a y on it, so that 9y is going to be left alone. 3 minus 5 is going to be negative 2. Okay, we got something a little bit different coming at us here. We have a 4 times 4v minus 6 minus 3 times v plus 6. And so I'm going to think about this as 2 problems for now. And so I'm going to split this here and notice that that leading 4 is being multiplied by 4v and a negative 6. And that 3 back there, the negative 3, is being multiplied by a v plus 6. So you've got really 2 distributive property things going on at once in this problem. We'll treat them separate. This is going to be 16v. That's a negative 24. This is a negative 3v and a negative 18. So we'll replace those parts on the left with what we just created. This is going to be 16v minus 24. And then we have a minus 3v minus 18. Next, we do need to go through and combine like terms. These 2 v's can be combined. These 2 regular numbers can be combined. So 16 minus 3 is going to give us 13v. Negative 24 and negative 18 is going to give us negative 42. All right, we'll do one like this, and then we'll see if we can find a more complex one to do again. So negative 2 times y plus 1 plus 6. We see that negative 2 is being multiplied by the y plus 1. So negative 2y. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. So negative 2y minus 2, and then that plus 6 is just going to stay there. And we can see that I can combine these regular numbers. There's nothing else that has a y, so that negative 2y is going to remain the same. We get negative 2y plus 4. Okay, and we did get another one that is a little bit more on the complex side, so I need some room. If you would pause if you need to write this down, I'm going to erase. Okay. We have a 3 times 2v minus 6 plus 4 times 2v minus 3. Again, we have two distributions going on here. That leading 3 is going to be multiplied by 2v and negative 6, and that 4 is going to be multiplied by 2v and a negative 3. So 3 times 2 is 6 v's, 3 times negative 6 is negative 18, 4 times 2 is 8v, 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So we'll replace everything with what we've just created. So 6v minus 18 replaces that first part, and 8v minus 12 replaces the second part. So I can combine the v's, positive 6v, positive 8v, and I can combine the straight up numbers, the negative 18 and the negative 12. So 6 plus 8 is 14v, and negative 18 and negative 12 makes negative 30. Okay, we'll do one more. So 3 times 2u minus 6 minus 9u. We have a 3 times the 2u and a negative 6. So that gives us 6u, and that gives us negative 18. So 6u minus 18 minus 9u. I do see that I can combine the 6u and the negative 9u. That's going to give me negative 3u. What's left is minus 18.